the solar system of the Milky Way galaxy.
You should be able to do this on almost all of the browsers. Go to Google Maps to do it. Look for that layers box in the lower left of the map. Go to More. Go down to Map Type, select Globe View and Satellite. And then just zoom out using the scroll wheel to scroll back towards your palm until you end up in space. Just click some of these planets in the list on the left here, and it will teleport you across the galaxy to each of these planets, moons, and or space station.
Zoom in.
See if there's any detailed imagery of the planetary surfaces, and just do some digging around. See where you want to go on your next vacation to the stars with that spaceship that you're building in the garage. So hopefully this helps you get out there and explore the galaxy on your desktop as well. If you can't click Globe View, that could be because hardware acceleration in the settings is not enabled. You see, the Globe View is grayed out. That's what's going to happen if we don't have hardware acceleration enabled in the browser settings. So to do that, in all of the Chromium based browsers, you can get to this particular settings page by typing in chrome://settings/system. We're going to paste that link down in the video description below if you want to copy it, and then paste it into the address bar of your browser. You can do that, and then press enter, and it'll take you to this page. So we're going to do that here on Vivaldi. Go down to web pages, or we can just paste the link that we posted down in the video description. We're going to enable use hardware acceleration when available. Click relaunch. Now we'll go back to maps. Go to layers, click more. Now we have the globe view option available. And you can see once we click that, it morphs the map into a globe. Select satellite for map type. And now we have a full satellite view of Earth. We'll scroll back towards the palm of our hand until we end up in space. And that will automatically populate a list to the left of the screen that has listings for a lot of planetary bodies in the Milky Way galaxy. Select any of those, and once we click it, the map will teleport us to that planet, or that moon, or that space station. Use the scroll wheel on the mouse to zoom in and see what satellite imagery is available for this surface. Zoom out if we want to view the location of that planet in space. And see the sun's current trajectory on that planet as we rotate the planet on its axis. And if we want to invert the planet on its poles, we can hold down the control key on the keyboard, click the left mouse button, and then drag the cursor across the screen, and that will invert the poles of the planet. We can zoom in. And some of the imagery is not that detailed, it's not that clear, particularly on some of the faraway planets, though Pluto has some pretty detail on some parts of the planet. I mean, you can see what looks like ice crystals or snow on some portions of the planet. But as you zoom in, you're going to lose a lot of detail, but you can just explore the galaxy. Learn about the planets, view some of the terrestrial terrain of these various planets, and some of the charted regions labeled on the planet surface. Zoom in, zoom out, rotate around, see where the sun's current position is. And so this is just another way you can get out there and learn a little bit more about the universe, about the galaxy, and see what's going on. Here we're on, what are we on? Mars. The planetary surface image is pretty clear up to a certain point. You can make out quite a few features on the surface here from some of the imagery that's available and uploaded to this planet on the map.